JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. So for those that are affected by a natural disaster, hurricane, tornado, drought, you name it, the Small Business Administration has many resources for homeowners, renters, and small business owners. For renters and homeowners for your personal property, it's an up to $40,000 loan for things like clothing, TV, cars, things inside your residence. For homeowners, it's up to $200,000 for your primary residence, including helping you maybe refinance your mortgage and any property damage. For small business owners, it's up to $2 million for physical property damage and up to $2 million for economic injury disaster loan. These loans are up to 30 years, typically not more than 4%, no prepayment penalties. One thing that's key here is to ensure that your area has been declared as a disaster area. In the body of this video is a link to the SBA website, which is the only place that you would be applying for these. And it will also be where you would check to see if your area has been declared as a disaster area. So all my best to you. Check out the link in the body of this as well for additional videos related to disaster relief. And all my best to you. God bless.